Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about three things: lines, angles, and shapes. And I want to cover these three things as we are cutting, trimming, and shaping up our beard to match one another. Now, I say match as we are cutting up our cheek, our neck, and even our sideburns and mustache. So we got a lot to cover, but we're gonna break it down hopefully in 3 minutes. The best part about this, we only need a couple tools, right? We're just gonna use the straight edge and we're gonna use the scissors. And I've actually kind of made the lines already and the shape. I just wanna reiterate and go over some things for you to help you out as you grow out your beard, your mustache, and your facial hair. So the first place we're gonna start is actually the mustache, and this is gonna give us the foundation that we need to line everything else up, okay? So first, get out a pair of scissors. If you've grown your mustache out for the month of November, you're at a pivotal moment, right? You're either gonna shave it off or you're gonna keep it. So for me, I'm gonna keep it. Now, what I don't wanna do is I don't wanna trim upwards, right? I don't wanna bring the top of the hair to the top of the lip hair, okay? We want actually this hair to grow down to the top of the lip. That way everything is blending in together. Then we're gonna take the scissors, we're actually gonna angle down just a little bit, and we're gonna cut the line on the lip, and we're gonna stop right here on the edge of our mouth, right there. Then depending on what you want, if you want a handlebar, you can go ahead and trim and fade up, or if you wanna cut it off right there, you can go ahead and trim it and cut it off. That way you've got a nice bushy mustache. Mustache complete. Now, once the mustache is done, we're gonna angle up our cheek lines, and this is gonna give us the base of where we need to start. So where your lip ends right here is actually gonna be the start of your cheek line. So once you get down to your sideburns, you're gonna have a lot of misshapen hair, or actually some sporadic hair, I should say, up on your cheek on both sides. A lot of guys can be short, and it can go all the way up to the eyeballs in some cases that I've seen. Now, this is where you're gonna take your straight edge. No, not your multi-blade, your straight edge. And this is where you're gonna get the fine cuts. Right where the mouth ends, right? We're gonna use that as your line to your cheek. So as your sideburn comes down, you're gonna take your razor, you're gonna go down, and right when you get to that point where your sideburn meets your mouth, that's where you're gonna stop. So depending on your shape is, your face shape is more round, right? You wanna use that line from your mouth to either curve it up, or you can make it a straight angle. It's up to you. And it all depends on your angle is going to create the shape of your beard. So for me, instead of going round, I'm actually creating an angle on my sideburn to my cheek, and I'm gonna do the same on my neck, okay? We're just gonna pull down just a little bit. We're gonna find the neckline under the jaw, right? We don't wanna shave on the jawline. We wanna go down a little bit. We wanna trim up, we wanna shave up right to that point, right where the jawbone meets the neck. And we're gonna slide down, and we're gonna match that up, that angle, with the cheek line. And with those three parts, that's gonna complete the look of your beard and your mustache. We got the line, we got the angle, and we got the shape, okay? Depending on how long your beard is as well, go down, take your clippers and just go straight across. And if you want that angle, just follow the shape of your jaw and go all the way around. Unfortunately, my beard is not long enough to show you guys, but you guys get the gist. With that, I hope I provided you guys with some information, some knowledge, and some help with the game, all right? Love you guys. Like, subscribe, check me out on all the social media. Love you like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See